Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to upload high quality photos on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to upload high quality photos on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys, in order to upload high quality photos on Instagram, you need to know a thing or two. That is, first, in order to upload the high quality photos, make sure you have captured your photos on high quality or high-end devices like your camera, but if you capture with your mobile, make sure it's at the highest efficiency on your device. And second, from that, on the Instagram, you need to customize a thing. That is, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available over there. Tap on that, and on this interface, again at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three lined icons, tap over there, and over here scroll down to the bottom until you can find data usage and more media quality. Over here just below the language, under the category your app and media, tap on data usage and media quality, and over here it says guide media upload quality. And if you want to upload at the highest quality possible on your photos on Instagram, simply enable that button over here, and by tapping that toggle icon on guys, from the next time you post a photo or upload a photo on Instagram, it will upload on Instagram with the highest quality possible. And with that being said guys, this is the way you will be able to upload high quality photos on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.